Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 26th of November 2022. We're going to talk about Nano and how it pumped, and now you guys can see it has since dumped over the last 2 to 3 days. I'm going to come through and talk to you all what I think the market's going to do in Nano. So buckle in, let's get into it. You guys can see right here, first of all, September 21st was the last price prediction that I did for Nano. You guys can see I was predicting that the market was going to go down, and it actually did. Now, it took the market quite a long time for it to come down to my ultimate TP price, which was on November the 9th, 2022. You guys can see that's 25, almost 26% right there. Now, after that pump, let's recognize it. Let's talk about this. And let's say that the market in Nano was able to exceed $1.20, right? But soon after, it couldn't maintain that price level. And price is now trading right back to where we were earlier within this trading range. Now, what does that mean? Well, it simply means that the gas is gone. The bullishness that occurred into the market in Nano right here on the 24th or the 23rd of November, yeah, it's gone. So the best outlook that I can say right now in Nano is just simply that the market's going to continue to trade within these two lines. That's it. That's why it's so important to make sure that you know when you're going to exit out a play and move on and be satisfied with the win. Don't consider yourself and hate yourself just because the market price and you could have got a little bit more out of the market move. As long as you profit from the move, as everything is copacetic, everything is cool, everything is excellent, you did a wonderful job. Don't harp on it. We move on to the next move. All right, so let's go ahead and see this real quick. Let's look at this on the weekly chart for Nano. Okay, so you guys can see, obviously, with this massive increase in volume, you guys can see what happened, right? This same type of price bar kind of looks the same as this one. Look at that. The volume is about identical, just like it was in this current weekly price bar. Look at that. Is that by coincidence? No. But you guys can see what was the result on this weekly price bar following March the 14th. What did the price in Nano do? It came down. So obviously, that is going to be our expectation. It doesn't mean that it's going to happen the same way that it did back in March. But what we're getting at is that the market is not bullish, if anything. Seeing what occurred here, we need to expect the same thing here. Now, the only way that we will negate that is if we still see buyers come into the market, which we don't see that right now. Let's look at it on the 5-day chart. Okay, so you guys can see pretty much where all the volume is coming in on 5 days. Here it is on a 3-day, and this is definitely telling me that the market is weak. But again, yes, the market is weak in Nano, but you guys can tell that we do have some basis of support coming into the market in Nano, right? Namely, first area is going to be here. Okay, so this is going to be a first price target. You guys can see that even on this current 3-day price bar, the market already is pretty much coming down to that particular level. So I'm not going to look for this to be my first price target because we got what, 5 hours and 50 minutes left, and this is massive weakness being seen in Nano. So my first price target is going to be down here, which is around like 68 cents. Then my second one is going to be around 59 cents. It's just that simple. Nothing hard, nothing complicated. Here it is on the 2-day chart. So you guys can see that the market weakness is still here, but I really don't think the price is going to, break below 60 cents right now. It could definitely happen, especially when you see this on the monthly chart where we have 4 days and 6 hours left. This is definitely weakness in the market in Nano, which it kind of resembles from a monthly chart that we can see the market in Nano come all the way down to the low, which occurred on the month of March 2020, which is around 25 cents. So don't be surprised in the next month, 3 months, 6 months that the market action in Nano is down there towards 25 cents. You guys can see it right there on the 5 months. I'm going to show you 3 months. Okay, so again, there's no bullishness coming into the market yet. So let me hit this back over to the daily. You guys know my price targets as of now. We're going to place some weakness on the chart. That first price target is going to be here around 68 cents, which is around 15% profitability move to the downside. And then the second one's going to be around 60 or around 58 cents, which is 27.65% market move higher. Okay, so you guys got it. And we're going to continue to play the weakness into the market in Nano so long as price trades below this area here. Okay, so that means even if we do see market action in Nano come up, test the dollar again, but price doesn't break it to the upside on strength, then that means that we're still going to look for the price to go down. Okay, that's going to be our expectations. Now, it's your turn. Quick video, hit the like button, send me, and also subscribe to the channel. You're not going to get no hype, no FUD, no fear, no FOMO. On this particular channel, we simply look at the price action to see what the market's trying to do. This is what I'm thinking. Now I want to know, what do you guys think? Hit me up. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.